Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we are going to understand how to send Discord channel message from Google Sheets. So here let's suppose that I'm a social media manager and I maintain the post content in a Google Sheet. So my objective is that whenever I'm going to add the post content details in my Google Sheet, then automatically it should be sent as a channel message to my team on Discord. So now to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So now to do this, here my trigger application will be Google Sheets and my action application will be Discord. So if you want to learn more about this, follow me through the screen. In this video, we are going to understand how to send Discord channel message from Google Sheets. So here let's assume that I am a social media manager and I maintain the post content in a Google Sheet. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to add the post content in Google Sheets, then it should be automatically sent as a channel message to my teammates. So now to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications. So this here is the home page of Pabbly Connect. So now as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. But if you're a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. This here is the All Applications page by Pabbly. Here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and now to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this Create Workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as Send Discord Channel Message from Google Sheets, and on my left hand side you can see that these are the folders which I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Discord, and now here I'm going to click on Create. So as I did that, now I've arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation and integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow you can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now moving to my use case, that is to send Discord channel message from Google Sheets. So here in my trigger window, I'm going to use Google Sheets as my trigger application, and here it is. And now the trigger event will be new or updated spreadsheet row. So now moving to the action window, as I want to send a channel message to my teammates on Discord. So here Discord will be my action application. And the action event will be to send channel message. So here you can see that as I've selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So my objective is that whenever in a Google Sheet I'm going to add the post content details, then automatically that should be sent as a channel message on Discord with my teammates. So now here firstly I need to establish a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. So here you can see that a webhook URL is given and along with that a help desk is given. So read this help desk given below carefully because this will help you to connect your Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So now in order to do this, I'm going to take you to my Google Sheet. So here I've created a Google Sheet by the name of Post Content, and it consists of one sheet and of 3 columns. So here the first column is for post idea, second is for post title, and the third one is for platform. So now my objective is that whenever I'm going to add the post content details in this Google Sheet, then automatically it should be sent as a channel message on Discord with my teammate. So now to build a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, I need to go to extensions, and in extensions you have to make sure that you have this Pabbly Connect webhooks extension. If you don't have it, you can simply go to get add-ons, and here in the search bar you can search for Pabbly Connect webhooks. So here it is. So as you can see that I've already installed this extension, so it says installed, but you can also follow the same process to install it. So I'm going to close this. Again, I will go to extensions, go to Pabbly Connect webhooks and click on initial setup. So here in initial setup, it says the webhook URL will be set up on the below selected sheet, that is sheet 1. Now here I need to mention the webhook URL and the trigger column. So I can get the webhook URL from Pabbly Connect. I'm going to copy it and here I'm going to paste the same. Once I've done that, moving to the trigger column, so the trigger column will be your final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to Pabbly Connect. So here C is my final column, so C is going to my trigger column. So now I'm going to click on submit. So here you can see that the setup has been configured successfully. So as the initial setup is done, now I want that whenever I'm going to add the post content details in a new row in this Google Sheet, then it should be automatically sent as a channel message on Discord. So firstly, to do that, I need to go to extensions once again. Here I will go to Pabbly Connect Webhooks and click on Send on Event. So Send on Event will make sure that every time whenever the post content will be added in a new row in this Google Sheet, then firstly it will be sent to Pabbly Connect and then it will be sent as a channel message on Discord. So I'm going to click on Send on Event. And once I've done that, here I'm going to refresh the page as this is an important step. So now here I'm going to mention the post idea, that will be think about trending tools. Now I'm going to mention the post title, that will be digital marketing tools. And now here the platform will be Facebook once again. So this is the post idea, post title and the platform. So the same would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So taking you to Pabbly Connect. So here in Pabbly Connect, you can see that I have received a response. Here's the trigger column, spreadsheet name, spreadsheet ID, sheet name, sheet ID, row index, post title, post idea, and the platform. That means the post content which I've just added in my Google Sheet is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So the first step of this automation is set up. That means now whenever in my Google Sheet, I'm going to add the new post content in a new row, that will automatically get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as I've got the details, now I want to send a channel message to my team on Discord. So to do that, firstly, I need to establish a connection between Discord and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on Connect. So now here, firstly, I need to mention the webhook URL, which I'm going to get it from Discord. So I'm going to take you to my Discord channel. And here, this is the channel which I've created by the name of post content. So now I will go to the settings. And here in settings, I will go to integrations. So now in integrations, you can see that I have no webhook. So I'm going to create a new one. And here, this is my new webhook. I'm going to copy the webhook URL. And here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to mention the same. Once this is done, now moving to message. So this here is the message which I want to send and I've framed it. It goes as, hello team, here's the post title and the post idea. Create a creative around the title given below. And now here I'm going to mention the post title, post idea and the platform. And to do that, here I'm going to use the method of mapping. So basically mapping is to insert the data from previous steps. So as I've received the response from Google Sheets, so now here I'm going to map it. So here this is the post title, I've mapped it. Now moving to the post ID, I'm going to map it and now I'm going to map the platform. So here is the platform. So once I've mapped all of the details, this method of mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, so that can be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information could have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So here, if you want to give a bot name or the bot icon, you can do that. But as of now, I'm going to leave these fields blank. And here I'm simply going to click on Save and Send Test Request. Here you can see that I have received a response and this here is a positive one. So here in Discord, you can see that this here is a message. It goes as, hello team, here's the post title and the post idea. Create a creative around the title given below. Post title is digital marketing tools. Post ideas, think about trending tools. Platform is Facebook. So that means the post content which I've added in my Google Sheet in a new row is automatically sent as a channel message on Discord with my team members. So this integration and automation is a successful one. That means now whenever in a Google Sheet, the post content will be added in a new row, then automatically a channel message will be sent to my teammates on Discord.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.